Greetings everyone. Today we will have with us Mr. Omkar Natye. He is from Sangli, Maharashtra, India, and he is currently residing in Germany, and he pursued his masters in computational mechanics from Duisburg FM. Later on, he's doing his part-time PhD as well, and also working as a simulations engineer currently in Germany. So, Omkar, can you tell us a brief introduction or brief something about yourself, maybe about your bachelor's or your background in India?
Sure. Thanks a lot, Rohan, for uh, giving the chance to talk on this topic about studies in Germany.
Hmm.
So basically, I come from Sangli, which is a small town.
Hmm.
I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering, also in Sangli,
Hmm.
uh, in Walchand College of Engineering,
Hmm.
which is now autonomous
Hmm.
college, and it's quite good in Maharashtra.
Okay.
So after doing the studies, I worked for 3 years
Hmm.
in auto industry in Tata Motors,
Hmm.
Pune.
Okay.
After then, I decided to come to Germany to pursue the studies
Hmm.
in computational mechanics.
Omkar, I just wanted to ask, like you had a good, job in Tata Motors as well. And so what compelled you to actually choose Germany as a location for your master's? And even in Germany, what compelled you to choose computational mechanics as a master's course?
So I was working in Tata, and I think it was so it helped me a lot to transit
Hmm.
from the bachelor's to the industry. So, and I think that is really essential in any case. So if you want to do the studies,
Hmm.
then I recommend everyone to do some industry job at least for 2 years or 3 years. Then we will know what we really
Hmm.
need to do in the future.
Hmm.
So actually, I decided about coming in Germany because it's a pioneer in auto industry.
Hmm.
Basically,
Okay.
they build one of the best cars.
Hmm.
And the second reason is about the studies.
Okay.
So I talked with a couple of friends who
Hmm.
already came to Germany to do their studies,
Hmm.
and based on their experience, they told me that it's more conceptual
Hmm.
studies than compared to other countries.
Hmm.
Third reason can be about the tuition fees. The tuition fees in Germany is zero to very less. So quite quite cost effective.
Hmm.
Apart from that, I would say that it's a new culture to us. So, and
Okay.
it's always good to get exposed to a new culture, to
Hmm.
learn about a new language,
Hmm.
and to experience why the head in Germany label is the best standard of quality. What makes them build the best cars, or
Hmm.
what exactly is
Hmm.
different in their culture, their studies that make them different.
Everybody knows that there are two prospects that you can, go after your master's, like after your master's course. Either you can go into research and do your PhD in the field, or you can, go into the industry and you can find a job right after the master's. So,
Right.
could you tell us the prospects in each of these alternatives in the field of
In
computational
terms
mechanics?
of work after the studies,
Hmm.
so again, so after FH degree,
Hmm.
uh, they are in demand directly into the industry. So if
Okay.
you know for sure
Hmm.
that you want to go to the industry, then you can pursue a degree in FH.
Okay.
So if someone knows that they're interested in research direction only, then I think TU is suitable.
Yes.
If someone is there who is still unsure or who can still explore both of the worlds, then I think university is there.
Okay. That's nice.
And
yeah,
about the course computational mechanics, after this course there are I think 2 or 3 directions that someone can lead to. That is in structural mechanics, in fluid mechanics, or in vibrations, or somewhere in that direction.
Okay.
So there are quite good demand about all of these fields in the industry.
In Germany is I feel is something which is very different from, let's say, working in India, for example. So can you tell us your experience about how the work life is basically in Germany, and what a person can expect a job to be in Germany after their masters, or even if they do their PhD and then go to the industry. So what is the job experience basically in Germany?
Sure. So for me, job experience in Germany is, as you said, it's quite different than the experience in India, let's say, because we have different challenges over there and different challenges over here. In Germany, we have a better work-life balance. So the work hours are fixed, and in that we have to deliver the tasks that are assigned to us. Criteria is the quality, the cost effective and timely delivery. They come after that, so they are not the deciding factor. The quality of the work is the deciding factor. Plus there is a rule of 10 hours per day, so you can work in the company for maximum 10 hours.
Okay.
So you cannot exceed the 10 hours. It's not legal in Germany.
Specific advice that you would want to give to people or to basically students who are looking forward to applying for computational mechanics masters in Germany in general, or let's keep it general, maybe if they're looking to apply for masters in Germany in general?
Yeah. So if someone is looking to Germany, looking to come to Germany to do their studies, I think first of all they should work a bit in India in relevant field.
Okay.
Then they will realize their strong points, their weak points, their interests, and the type of tasks that are actually done in the industries. Because only studies that doesn't help us to understand the industry, the way the industry functions. After that, they can explore their interest in the DAAD website, as I said, and there they can choose, or they can shortlist different courses based on the course content and the type of university, TU, FH, or Uni. And then they can there are I think several Facebook groups or other groups that can help them get in touch with the students active, so currently studying in those universities. Talk to them directly, ask their guidance, and based on that they can decide about the universities. One thing I want to add that the studies in Germany is it's quite demanding.
Okay.
So it's based on conceptual work, and it's not about the memory exams that are generally being taken in India. It's based on the understandings of the student, and it is quite challenging thing to do.
So much, Omkar. I think that was a really insightful conversation, and I think we covered like a lot of topics, right from how the master's program is, what different types of universities and colleges that are there, and the prospects as well, and as to what is actually like what it's like to actually work in Germany as well. I mean, like we really thank you for taking out time to do this with us.
Thank you, Rohan, for touching on this topic and to doing this discussion. If there are other questions, we can get in touch again and to discuss in detail.
Sure.
Thank you again.
Thank you for watching this video with us. If you would like to consult Omkar or any other expert regarding masters in Germany or work life in Germany, please do visit www.careerbanana.com. Also, tell us in the comment section below if there is any course or any college that you would like us to cover.